Hey, this is Tom with Nextiva, and today we're going to break down the cost for a VoIP business phone system. As a general statement, switching from an on-premise phone system to a cloud-based phone system can equate to major cost savings and a dramatic increase in value. This is largely due to how the technologies fundamentally work, but we'll take you through four main factors that determine the cost of a VoIP phone system. The first one is finding a VoIP service provider who has the features, solutions, and price points that make sense for your business. Of course, this is obviously what Nextiva does, and US News ranked us as the #1 business phone system in 2020. You can check out some of the packages we offer by going to nextiva.com/pricing. Second, let's take a moment to talk about hardware costs. With traditional landline service, a business will need to buy what's called a PBX box, plus the desk phones for that office. These can be an expensive charge up front, and if any hardware stops working, the cost to repair or replace is passed to the business. However, a cloud-based phone system can rely on the hardware you already have. For example, your smartphone or laptop can use a soft phone app that can substitute for a desk phone. Then if you decide to buy a VoIP desk phone later, it can start using your business number immediately. The third factor is the price of the VoIP phone service itself. This cost is ultimately broken down by the number of users who need to make and receive calls. If you have a growing team and you're able to sign up with a longer contract, the cost per user can be reduced as you scale. Lastly, the fourth major cost factor of a VoIP phone system is the advanced feature set. Let's say you want to answer business calls on your smartphone, create dashboards for call data, and easily add new users as the business grows. On a traditional landline system, these features require complex and expensive integrations that may require multiple companies and support calls to achieve. However, on a VoIP phone system, all of these can be set up in your online portal, sometimes at no additional cost. And that wraps up our cost breakdown of a VoIP phone system. If you want to learn more about VoIP and connected communications, be sure to subscribe to the Nextiva YouTube channel. Again, this is Tom with Nextiva, and we'll see you in the next video.